Hello, this is Erica with LavishlyNatural.com, and today we are making pumpkin seed milk. Pumpkin seed milk is high in magnesium, which is good for your bones. It's good for relaxation. It helps your muscles relax. It helps your body relax. It calms the digestive system, and it helps your mind relax. Pumpkin seed milk is also high in tryptophan, which is an amino acid. It improves sleep. It improves your memory. It can improve your mental concentration. It's all kinds of good. And my favorite thing about pumpkin seed milk is it's high in antioxidants. So it helps your body fight infection, and it boosts the immune system. This is one of the reasons why it's so great to soak your seeds overnight before blending, because after blending, there's not a whole lot left to strain. Everything essentially gets incorporated into the milk. With pumpkin seed milk, this makes it really creamy, which is good because it gives it a richer taste, and it's easier for your system to digest. Pour your pumpkin seed milk into a sealable jar or bottle and store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days.